Take a ride in the 2017 CX-9. This 7-passenger crossover boasts unexpected styling, a powerful yet fuel-efficient engine, and standard luxuries. Safety also comes standard with the CX-9's 5-star governmental front and side impact crash test rating and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, leather trim seats, power lift gate, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, compass. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.